Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Thank you. You know that you having an oral test this time. First of all, I want you to tell me something about yourself. Do you mind?
No, not at all. My name is Ronnie Adian. You can call me Ronnie. I am 14 years old. I'm live at North Bekasi. My phone number is 089636153959. I'm study at 3 Junior High School. I'm class 2.
By the way, where are you from?
I'm from Central Java, Indonesia.
Why do you study English?
It's an international language. I must be able to speak it well.
How often do you study English here?
Twice a week, on Tuesday and Friday.
Do you think twice a week is enough?
No, I don't think so. However, I also study English at school.
Do you have any problems studying English?
Yes, of course. Grammar is a little bit difficult for me.
Anything else?
Yes, it's still hard for me to speak English fluently.
Don't worry, you'll soon learn. Goodbye for now.
Right.